I would like to invite you for upcoming live online cooking series, which starts already on January 29th. This series is full of amazing brand new classes. First class, it's all about cheese-breaded chicken schnitzel. Second class, it's about a delicious pork belly with sauerkraut and bread dumplings. In a third class, we are going to prepare Valentine's pralines, inspired by the popular flavor in Czech Republic and Slovakia. In class number 4, we are going to prepare Pletýnka bun Houska. In class number 5, we are going to prepare Czech Meringue Puffs Indiánky. And in a final class number 6, we are going to prepare Czech Beef Goulash with bread dumplings. These classes are taught live and online, so anyone who is in United States and Canada can join. See separate video about how class like that works and why am I qualified to teaching these classes. I am looking forward to seeing you soon because first class starts already on January 29th.